Hi YouTube family, good to have you and welcome back to my kitchen. In today's occasion I'll be showing you how to make this single serving chocolate chip cookie. It's perfect to satisfy your sweet tooth and just for one person. So what you're going to need are the ingredients pictured here. You want to incorporate 4 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. You're also going to need 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, 1 splash of pure vanilla extract, 1/8 teaspoon of baking powder, 2 tablespoons of melted butter, and essentially you're going to start off by mixing in the brown sugar along with the melted butter. Go ahead and mix until all of that is incorporated, and into your flour you will want to mix in the 1/8 teaspoon of baking powder. I used a little whisk to whisk that together prior to adding in the butter and the sugar. Go ahead and mix together there to incorporate all of your ingredients, and then you'll go ahead and proceed by adding in the egg. Next, you'll want to whisk up 1 large egg and just scoop out 1 teaspoon of that egg into your cookie batter and continue to mix until incorporated. And you're almost finished. You'll want to go ahead and add in a splash of vanilla extract. Just like a half teaspoon of vanilla extract is fine. Go ahead and blend that in together there. And I just added like a handful of chocolate chips. Of course, my must go-to brand is Toll House Nestle. It works perfectly with all of my recipes. So once you've incorporated all of your ingredients, go ahead and round up your cookie dough shape and set it in the air fryer at 350 degrees, and you want to bake this in there for just 12 minutes. Now for the best part, to enjoy your cookie, do allow to cool, and then go ahead and pair it with chocolate milk, your coffee, regular milk, or your favorite drink. But thank you very much for having been here, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys.